Hello people there, I am Vaishnavi. So how are you all? I hope you are doing amazing and I'm also pretty good. And I know I haven't uploaded any videos for 10 days. Seriously, it's my bad. But honestly, I went to my nanny's house. I visited there after so long. It's been a 7 year. Can you believe it? 7 years is too long, right? When I was a child in a childhood, I was like I used to waited all year to hoped I could go there in summer vacation, but now it's time different. And when I was there, I had a lot of fun with my cousin because this time I even don't know when I will go there next time. So seriously, anyway, just stop talking this, just come to the main point whatever I want to share with you all. Before going there, I learned a lot of vocabulary and phrases in English, but right now, I forget all over things. My mind is going blank because I didn't practice even a single day. Seriously. And when I was there, I made a 2 and 3 video. If you watch it, you know very well that time my English was not good, because first reason is my practice was not good, and second is this. And in that video I had to describe my surrounding, but I'm not good this time for a describe, and that's why I am here to improve my English. Basically, and you know what, today I feel very weird in front of camera. It feel very different, just like I made a first video in front of camera. I think I learned a very huge lesson in is that practice is so important, and practice is everything. If you learn something new, you have to practice morning, evening, whatever you have time, you just revise whatever you learn. When I lose it everything, then I realize practice is more important. If you don't practice, you will, if you don't use it, you will definitely lose it. My purpose making this video, basically today I feel like my fluency is also gone, and this is a random video to just practice in front of camera and remove my hesitation. And I want to get back on my track, seriously. And so I'll just stop this video right here because I am running late. I have to go somewhere else, and I will definitely make videos time to time. I know I said this thing in my many videos, but I will try to make up and upload alternative days. Thank you for watching this video.